Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm Umama Akram and you're watching Iqbal Virtual Academy. It's our English language Lecture-3. Today we're going to discuss parts of speech. So what are parts of speech? A category to which a word is assigned in accordance with its synthetic functions. In English, the main parts of speech are noun, pronouns, adjectives, verbs, adverbs, preposition, conjunctions, and interjections. Noun. A word used to identify any of a class of people, places, or things is called a noun. Pronouns. A word that can function as a noun phrase used by itself and that refers either to the participants in the discourse. It can be used at the place of noun. Verbs. A word used to describe an action, state, or occurrence and forming the main part of predicate of a sentence is called a verb. Conjunctions. Conjunctions is a word that joins words, phrases, clauses, or sentences, just like since, yet, and, because, but, for, until, or however. Adjectives. What are adjectives? A word naming an attribute of a noun such as sweet, red, or technical. Prepositions. Prepositions can be used to describe a location, time, or place of a thing. Interjection. Interjections are words used to express strong feeling or certain emotion, just like Yahoo! Adverb. An adverb is a word that modifies a verb, an adjective, another adverb, or even a whole sentence. Thanks a lot for watching. Hope you understand. Please like, subscribe, and share. Allah Hafiz.